Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, I'm so excited today because we're going to be making an end table or a side table for our home today. So let's get started. We're going to be using Dollar Tree's dowels and 2 round little circles I got from Michael's to start our project. And we're going to be using some hot glue to stick the dowels onto our circles, as you will see in the video. Yes, so initially I had hot glued the dowels inside the rim of the circle, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I took it apart. So now I'm hot gluing the dowels outside the rim of the circle instead to make our design. Hey lovelies, if it's your first time visiting my channel, well, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing if you guys are into high-end projects on a budget. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video, and click on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. Okay, so this is how our pattern turned out, and I think it turned out great for what we're achieving. And now we're going to move on to the next step, and we're going to be using the E6000 glue. And I got these bowls, those plastic bowls from Dollar Tree, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to hot glue those bowls onto our little wooden pattern that we have here. And we're also going to use hot glue and E6000 for a permanent and a semi-permanent hold, so we can work with the project. Okay, so we're going to be repeating the same steps. We're going to use the E6000 glue and hot glue to apply the bowl on top of the project. And we're also going to be using the pizza pan from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be applying glue, the E6000 glue, onto the bowl to give it a secure hold. And then we're going to take the whole table outside to give it a nice paint job. I ended up changing the paint color to metallic golds because I didn't like the white and how it looked. And now I took the table back inside, and we are going to glam it up a little bit. So we're going to add these little blingy ribbon strips that I got from Amazon around the bottom part. And I did go ahead and use one of those Dollar Tree mirrors, the round ones, and place it right in there. And on top where we have the glue marks dripping, we're going to continue to bling it out with the ribbon to cover it up. And then inside, we're going to use the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree to also cover that little area where they had the glue. Stay tuned till the end to see how I display the table. This is a bonus DIY, and that's going to be part of our decor for the table. Okay, so we're going to be painting the bottom part of this little globe that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use the color Ivory by Waverly. And we're going to paint. We're going to sand it first a little bit so the paint can adhere to the plastic. And once we finish sanding it down, we're going to paint it, and then we're going to deck it out just a little bit. Hey guys, I'm just checking in on you. I hope you guys are staying well and keeping yourself healthy and safe out there. Many blessings. So we're going to be using one of Dollar Tree flowers and this little blush rose. And I'm just kind of like fitting it to size so it could fit inside that little globe. So I could have cut the stem, but I decided not to do that. And then I'm just trying to measure it to make sure that it fits inside the little globe. And then once we get it to fit, I'm going to be using these fairy lights. I got that from Amazon, and I'm going to be wrapping it around the rose because I want this to be lit a little bit. And that's what we're going to be doing here. And now to get it to stay, I'm going to be using hot glue. Okay, to bling out the bottom part, I'm going to be using Dollar Tree Diamond Wrap to give it the blingy look. Hey guys, don't forget to check out my playlist on the channel. I have my high-end craft playlist and I have my spring playlist. If you haven't seen those, please check them out. Next. All right, so for the big reveal on how I put everything together. All right, guys, we are all done. I think our table came out so beautiful, guys. But please be sure and let me know what you guys think. In the bottom shelf, I did go ahead and use our little rose globe decor and put it right there. And I think that looks really pretty and cozy looking. And on the top, I did go ahead and use a round mirror that I got from Michael's and place it right on top there. Guys, and let me know in the comments down below if you would consider making this end table or side table for your home. And where would you put it in your home? So guys, if you enjoy watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel a lot. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you could don't miss any of my weekly videos. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.